GSA Black Holes Part 2. Well, George Bedonord's K. Alex Muller discovered a ceramic material consisting of lanthanum, barium, copper, and oxygen, which became superconductive at 35 degrees Celsius. 35 degree K, and 35 degree K is equal to minus 230 degrees Celsius. Let me reiterate. Well, they became superconductive at a temperature of 35 degree K, and as you know that 35 degree K is equal to minus 238 degrees Celsius, much higher than any other material. Bednorz and Muller won the Nobel Prize in Physics in 1987. This was a significant accomplishment since in most situations the Nobel Prize is awarded for discoveries made as many as 20 to 40 years earlier. So it was a great achievement for the scientist and, of course, for the science itself as well. What is the speed of sound? The speed of sound is not a constant. It varies depending on the medium in which it travels. The measurement of sound velocity in the medium of air must take into account many factors, including air temperature, pressure, and purity. At sea level and 32 degrees Fahrenheit, which is 0 degrees Celsius, scientists do not agree on standard figure. Estimates range from 740 to 741.5 miles, which is equal to 1191.60 to 1193.22 kilometers per hour. As air temperature rises, sound velocity increases. Sound travels faster in water than in air and even faster in iron and steel. Sounds traveling a mile in air for 5 seconds will travel the same distance in 1 second underwater and 1/3 of a second in steel. So it lot depends upon the medium. In fact, the sound speed in fact is very much dependent on the medium. Why do golf balls have dimples? The dimples minimize the drag, a force that makes a body lose energy as it moves through fluid or gas, allowing the ball to travel farther than a smooth ball would travel. The air, as it passes over a dimpled ball, tends to cling the ball longer, reducing the eddies or wake effects that drain the ball's energy. A dimpled ball can travel up to 300 yards, 275 meters, but a smooth ball can only go to 70 yards, which is 65 meters. A ball can have a 300 to 500 dimples that can be 0.01 inch or 0.25 millimeter deep. Another effect to get distance is to give the ball a backspin. With a backspin, there is less air pressure on the top of the ball, so the ball stays aloft longer, much like an airplane. So that is the reason that they dimple a golf ball, and we always see that the golf balls have dimples, and which certainly get the great effect for the ball to move longer and higher.